Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you exceptional recipe of broccoli with cauliflower in an oven. So usually we would like to eat healthy food, but when we try to check out the recipes, they all kind of sound good, look good, but they're all difficult kinda. So in order for us to eat healthy food, I came up with the recipe that is fitted in the healthy form, and I'm gonna share with you now. If you like our video, please click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, we are gonna need one broccoli and one cauliflower. This is the recipe for 2 person, guys. If you want for more people, you can count it up, accordingly. Then we are gonna need olive oil. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we are gonna need flour. Then the measurement here is 4 tablespoons again. Then we are gonna need 2 eggs. And then we are gonna need our loved spices. I love spices so much. So here we have dried mint, we've got dried vegetables, we've got spicy red pepper, then we've got black pepper, then we've got sweet red pepper, and then salt. We try to use very little salt, so if you guys want to use more, you're welcome. Or if you don't have dried vegetables or dried mint, you can use any type of spices that you have, all right? Or maybe you enjoy eating. So guys, we are gonna need 2 wooden spoons. Actually, if you don't have 2 wooden spoons, you don't have to worry because you've got hands, guys. So first, we are gonna take a bowl like this and we are gonna add our broccoli and cauliflower. Guys, when you are cutting them, if they are big, you can cut them in half. I try to use medium size because I want still to taste broccoli, because if you make it too small, then you will not even have a taste of it. But when you make it too big, again, it might not be cooked well. So I like cooked well. For that reason, I like to cut in medium. Cauliflower the same way. And then we are adding them all. The reason I'm mixing with wooden spoon is that I want all the spices to stay in, as I told you before. And again, when you are mixing, even if you are mixing with your hands, please be careful, because broccoli and cauliflower, you have to be gentle with them. So once you have done that, you take eggs and then you just pour them, here. We mix them gently within our bowl. In the meantime, you take the olive oil. So we need 4 spoons. 2, 3, and then 4. So then we are gonna add here our spices. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the magic. I'm gonna mix them all really well, so we will have the taste of everything. Oh God, it smells so good. I feel hungry already. My God. Okay, so it's ready now. So we pour it into our olive oil. So from one side, you're gonna mix your olive oil with the spices. On the other side, you're gonna mix your cauliflower and broccoli with the egg. So once you've mixed, you are gonna add your olive oil sauce into the mixed broccoli and cauliflower. You try not to leave anything. That is the reason why I'm using wooden spoon. It lets you to have everything. So now we start slowly pouring our flour. So guys, the reason we are doing this small ways, like in like spreading, because we want our broccoli and our cauliflower to take all the flour in. So guys, you see I poured half of the flour. Now I'm gonna pour the other half. If you pour it at once, you are not gonna have the same result. That is the reason why I'm pouring in this way. All right. We are mixing once again. Guys, once you've mixed well, you are gonna have your cooking tray. On top of it, we are gonna put our baking paper, and then we are gonna start placing our food. Oh, you see how yummy it looks already. So when you are placing, just you can place like this. So guys, before cooking in an oven, I always heat up 15 minutes ahead the oven, because I want my food to start cooking right away, not just after 15 minutes, you know. For that reason, I've arranged here 15 minutes ahead. I still have 8 minutes left, and then I'm gonna place our food in there. So guys, regarding the heat of the oven, I've arranged 190 degrees. It is not still max. So just keep in mind, if you have maximum heat, it's gonna be burned a little. For that reason, I want it to be cooked well, but I want it to be cooked like on with the juice, you know. For that reason, I have 190. Please keep that in mind also when you are arranging in your oven. So we are ready to put our beautiful food into the oven. See you after 10 minutes. So guys, we are gonna wait 1 hour until our beautiful food will be ready. So guys, it's ready. It smells good. Let's see. See guys, it's all fried. It's all cooked well. It looks very good and it smells already. Ah, very good. Enjoy your dinner. Guys, thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to click the like button, and if you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a nice evening and bon appetit. Goodbye.